So I'm with Raza Saeed, who's the founder and CEO of Confiz. Raza, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
मुझे थोड़ा सा बताइएगा, what's the sort of business that Confiz is into?
So Confiz has been around since 2005. It's a global technology services company. We work with some of the world's largest companies and help them with their digital transformation needs. Our focus area has been primarily retail, CPG, anywhere from ERP implementation to bespoke development, cloud data migration, AI, machine learning, mobility, all sorts of services we provide for such customers.
Right, and in terms of talent, थोड़ा सा मुझे ज़रा बताइएगा कि how do you hire your talent and what's that process like?
So Confiz has been focused on making sure that they hire some of the best talent in Pakistan. So this requires us going to all the universities, conducting tests, and then finding out which are the best graduates in each university, and then running an interview process. First, sort of a test, and then followed up with interviews, and then followed up with personality interviews. So we have a comprehensive process in place so that we can hire some of the best talents that graduating from all the universities here in Pakistan, especially the top ones.
And so in terms of the people that you do end up hiring, how would you define कि अच्छा यार ये एक अच्छा hire है हमारे लिए? He has the qualities to be like a leader at Confiz.
I think he or she, obviously the first and foremost thing is कि उनकी technical skills, their core technical expertise, their thinking skills, analytical skills, their ability to solve problems, because languages keep changing, platforms keep changing. जो core एक skill set है वो है कि is the person analytical, curious, can they solve problems, can they write good quality code in whichever language they are proficient in. So ये तो एक basic when you are hiring an engineer. And secondly, I think it's important कि because as part of a services organization, you are working with some of the global customers. So it's very important that the other side of technical skills is interpersonal skills, communication skills. उसको ट्रेन कर सकते हैं पर्सन को कि वो कंफर्टेबली कल को क्लाइंट के साथ कॉल्स लीड कर सकता है, कॉल्स में जा सकता है, अपने स्टेटस अपडेट्स दे सकता है, एंड बी पार्ट ऑफ अ प्रोजेक्ट टीम, स्पेशली in remote first, जहाँ पे जिस तरह Confiz has a big team in Islamabad, has team in Karachi now, US में भी team है, तो अक्सर एक project पे multiple locations से लोग involved हैं. So it's very important that people are able to conduct themselves in a way के collaboration रहे, we can make progress. So technical skills plus soft skills. Yes.
You mentioned US, and I know that you guys are huge in the US. What do you think was the reason for success? Because US is a tough market, it's very advanced.
Right.
And so what was it in your DNA that allowed you to be successful there?
So एक तो luck तो definitely played factor, but I think कि our focus on hiring good talent, and then when we landed big customers and that talent went there, they were able to impress those customers with the quality of work that they did, and that was the basis of expansion with those customers. So compared to other sources, we were able to give them teams which were far superior in their ability to do complicated work. So I think वो एक बड़ा important factor है. I think वो ज़्यादा important था कि ability to hire good talent and then develop them, and then once the opportunity arose, we had our talent on site with the customers, and they were able to do really well with in making sure that they were able to impress the customer, and the customer saw value कि this is a partner that they can rely on.
Makes sense. And आपकी जो recently partnership with Knowledge Streams है, how do you see that? What inspired you to go there?
So एक तो Confiz has a big CSR program, and we have historically been very focused कि as we make profits, we should give back to the society. तो हम generally LUMS, FAST, PUCIT, Bahauddin Zakriya University, NAMAL, many universities we partner with and provide scholarships for people doing bachelor's there. दूसरा, I think as I said कि top talent तो already globally acceptable एक talent है, but there is नीचे वाले talent को भी अगर आप segment करें तो there is a lot of talent that you can upskill and make them very useful and usable for international markets. I think there was a need कि कोई ऐसा institute हो जो कि जितना भी talent produce हो रहा है उसमें से ज़्यादा useful talent बना दे. And apart from technical upskilling, there is a need to focus on soft skills improvement as well. So for example, हम काफ़ी सारी trainings और हमारा एक LMS हमने learning management system deploy किया हुआ है, और उसके अंदर जो है वो continuously courses कर रहे होते हैं, और everyone is taking courses in that. So I think there is need कि आप certain soft skills और certain interpersonal skills की training के लिए कोई institute जो कि existing companies like Confiz can send their existing workforce, and they can get trained in certain areas that might not be technical. So I think uski bhi need hai. So I am very certain that this will have a positive impact, and hopefully we'll play our part and eventually maybe benefit from this as well, as they get more mature and structured and things start to improve, तो जो talent की quality वो और improve होती जाएगी. और naturally I think talent की pool बड़ा होगा तो I think जो pressure create हो जाता है, cyclical market है अभी, अगर market में थोड़ी डिमांड कम है, इट इज़ जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम एंड देयर विल बी मोर नीड देन व्हाट द डिमांड इज़, एंड शायद वो अभी भी इसी तरह ही हैं, बट मे बी द मार्केट इज़ अ लिटिल सॉफ्ट. सो I think anyone that is helping build talent in Pakistan is something, a welcome initiative, and I think Sohail Naqvi and Dr. Fareed, at whom I've been collaborating, are very well respected in the industry. So I'm hopeful कि वो काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त काम करेंगे.
Makes sense, brother. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.